happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from November the 19th through the 25th. So since this is the week of Thanksgiving, I decided to do a Thanksgiving spread. So this is the paper that I've chosen. This just reminds me of all the traveling that's going to be done during the holiday season. And this just reminds me of a nice cozy blanket that you could cover up with. And then I really love this washi. I used it last year, but I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. So I think I'll combine this with it if I need to. Then I'm gonna be using a Sharpie bronze marker. And then I just picked up some of these. I used some of this last year. I think I got this at Michael's, I believe, or Hobby Lobby. And then these came from Michael's, and I just think they're so pretty. But you could make your stickers if you wanted. And then this came from, I'm not sure where, but I got it last year, and I thought I would just incorporate some of this into it. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so happy that everybody loved the Brady Bunch theme. I really had so much fun doing it. Okay, I want this to be the dominant theme of the spread, this paper, so I'm going to cut this first. I really love this paper. Okay, let's start to put our paper where we want it. I just really think this is going to be cute. All right, let's start gluing our paper down. I like that. Oh, I love how that turned out. Okay, I'm hoping that I will have enough of this, but in case I don't, I'm prepared. Oh, I like that. This is going to be incredibly close. I don't know. But we will see. Oh, that just looks very festive. I might make it. Oh, I really do like this. I think we made it, guys. Barely. But we made it. Oh, I really like that. I wonder if I have enough. Oh, wonderful. Oh, I love that. It looks so pretty. I love that. That is really, really pretty. Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. And Thanksgiving, I think I may just put it like, almost like that. Oh, giving thanks. Okay. And we will put a lot of pumpkins here on Thanksgiving. And we'll put a little turkey, and he has real feathers. I think that's cute. Okay, and we'll put some corn. Don't want to put that there. Maybe I'll put some corn here. And some turkey legs. And an apple. And a pumpkin. And I think maybe I'll put a thing of corn here. And maybe a gourd. I think that's cute. And a turkey leg. Let's see, where maybe put our turkey leg? Maybe just like that, okay? And then I have these bigger turkeys. I think these are really cute. Oh gosh. Okay, here's the Mr. Turkey, and you know we always have to have a Mrs. Turkey. I think I'll put her right here. That's so cute. And then these pumpkins, I think I'll just put them right here. And I still have a turkey, but I don't think I'm going to use that in a hat. I think that's really, really cute. Now let's see, do we want to put anything else? Let's look here. I might put this Harvest Festival, like maybe like here. I think that dresses it up, and I think I am finished. So let me write just a few things I need to do. Most of all, I use it in my the monthly spread to see what I'm doing. Okay, now let's go ahead and put the pages back in my planner, but I really do like how this turned out. I think it's just really upbeat and happy looking. And I was looking for planners last night, but I haven't seen one that I really like yet, but I'm gonna have to keep an eye out. Oh, and here's the spread. I love it. I love these stickers. I love my paper. I love the washi. So I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope everyone has a wonderful and safe and happy Thanksgiving. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.